Through this sprint, our main goal was to consolidate everything we had built before, from the student side to the brigadier's operational tools. Each previous stage gave us a piece of the puzzle: the initial concept, the user needs, the architecture, and the data flow. In this sprint, we saw how all those pieces finally connected. The system became more than just a prototype, it turned into a coordinated network that links students and brigadiers in real time. Ethically, we understood that integration means responsibility. When parts depend on each other, a single flaw can affect the entire response chain.
This sprint we focused on a new perspective, empowering the brigadier with the tools needed to manage emergencies directly. We designed and tested modules that allow brigadiers to receive alerts and visualize them directly. This shift was not only technical but deeply ethical, because we were designing for those who bear a real responsibility during crisis. Every interface, notification, or delay could influence how fast a person receives help. We worked to make sure the brigadier from front wasn't just functional, but intuitive, transparent, and efficient. Technology as assisting human judgment, but not replacing it.
Now we are going to talk about the importance of each step of our sprint. Looking back, each stage of the process mattered. The early interviews gave us empathy, the architecture gave us stability, and this sprint gave us confidence that the system can scale. Every microscreen was a layer that built both the app and our understanding of it. Each decision, from defining users flows to writing micro optimizations, had a visible ethical dimension. Speed, reliability, and accuracy are not just technical goals, they are about saving time when time means safety. That we learn is that progress is small, deliberate step creates integrity in the system and in the team behind it.
A big part of this sprint was testing. We collected and analyzed metrics related to how the app behaves internally, specifically memory consumption, CPU usage, and thread activity. These measurements weren't abstract. They told us whether the system could stay stable while handling multiple operations at once. Testing became a form of ethical validation by understanding how the app behaved under different loads. We ensure that it wouldn't freeze, overload, or slow down at critical moments. These highlights give us confidence that the app promises speed, coordination, and reliability were actually being supported by its internal performance.
While testing, we noticed that even small inefficiencies could have a major effects. That's why we focus on micro-optimizations, refining code that reduce processing time, improving data synchronization between modules, and ensuring stable communication between devices. These weren't just technical improvements, they reflected our ethical commitment to reliability. We realized that in emergency system, optimization is not about speed alone, but about trust. Trust that the button will always respond, that the map will always load, that every brigadier will receive accurate information at the right moment.
Synthesizing this whole project, and especially this sprint, reminded us that technology, when developed responsibly, can unify people and systems. We started with a simple idea, a faster way to report emergencies, and now we have a functioning platform that brings together students, brigadiers, and health services into a single coordinated ecosystem. Through testing, data analysis, and continuous optimization, we ensured that the app is both efficient and ethically grounded. Every improvement, every design choice is connected by one principle: responsibility. We're not just developing software, we're building trust. Trust that in a real emergency, our system will respond, protect, and save time when it matters the most. Thank you all.